I wanted to do another quick video because I realized using the grid paper earlier was a great way to teach it, but you're not going to have that for your homework or for the IA. So I want to show you exactly how it would work without graph paper, just on normal paper like this. So I have the points 4, -3, and 4, 2. I'm finding the distance. The problem starts the same way as before. We're going to draw the y-axis, draw the x-axis, then draw my grid marks. I'm just going to be careful about evenly spacing these. Since I don't have the pre-grid paper, I'm just going to space these out about like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to plot my points. 4, -3 is first. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 1, 2, 3. So that's about right there. 4, -3. Now since I don't have grid paper, I have to be careful at looking at the marks I drew here and going down 1, 2, 3, and making sure that totally lines up. All right? I can also number these if that makes it a little more clear. All right, my other point is 4, 2. So I'm going to go over 4 again and then up 1, 2, which is right here. So that's the point 4, 2. All right, I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to connect the dots, make a straight line, just like that. Oh, that's blurry. There we go. So I just connected the 2 dots I drew earlier. Now I've got to find the distance between those 2, which will be the distance of that line, the length of the line. So to do this, I can do it a couple of ways. I can look at how many tick marks I moved down my line. So here I started just right there, and then I went down 1, 2, and then here I have another one, and another one, and another one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total spaces. So this would be 5 units in distance. I can also double check this by looking at the coordinates I used. So I see both of these dots are 4 spaces in the x-axis. So they both went over 4. The thing that's different about the 2 coordinates are the y values. This is 2 and this is -3. So I know from this dot to this axis has to be 2 spaces. So I had 1, 2. I know from this dot to the axis has to be 3 total spaces. So that's why I had 1, 2, 3. Right? So I know it's got to be 5 total spaces, 5 hops from this dot to this dot, so it's 5 units. So again, the problem is basically done the same way without grid paper. You just have to be careful about lining up all of your points with the grid and then double checking with the coordinates to make sure your answer actually makes sense. If you have any more questions, please email me back. Hopefully this helps clarify a little bit more. Thanks. Bye.